In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an iframe in WordPress, an essential skill for those looking to enhance their website with external content. Whether you're adding a map, a calendar, or any snippet of HTML you fancy, embedding an iframe can make your pages dynamic and unique. Let's dive into the process step by step, so you'll feel confident and ready to tackle this task with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and log into your WordPress admin area. Usually, you would do this by typing in your WordPress site URL followed by WP admin. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where you're able to manage all aspects of your website. Now that you're in the dashboard, the next step is to determine which page or post you want to add your iframe to. Head over to the side menu and click on either Pages or Posts, depending on where you want the iframe to appear. This will show you a list of your existing pages or posts. Click on the title of the one you want to modify, or select Add New if you're starting fresh. Once you've selected your desired page or post to edit, WordPress opens up the main editing interface. Here comes the fun part. If you're using the block editor, also known as Gutenberg, you'll need to add a new block for custom HTML. To do this, click on the plus icon, usually located on the top left of your editor, and type in Custom HTML in the search bar. A block will appear that you can drag and drop wherever you want the iframe to be displayed on your page. Now, onto the iframe itself. You'll need to have your embed code ready. This code is typically obtained from whatever service or platform you're wanting to embed. For example, if you're embedding a Google map, you would go to the Google Maps site, find your map, and copy the embed code. Once you have this code, it's simply a matter of pasting it into the custom HTML block you added in the previous step. Ensure you paste the entire snippet of code for the iframe in the designated space. After you've pasted the iframe code, it's always a good idea to preview your changes. This can be done by selecting the Preview button at the top right of the screen. This will show you exactly how your embedded iframe appears on your page, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before going live. And there you have it, a straightforward method to iframe in WordPress. Remember, while the basic steps are simple, each external service may have slight variations in how their embed codes are generated or used. Always ensure the source of your content is secure and trustworthy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.